नमस्कार, पळोवया प्राइम खबरो। 43वो इफ्फी सुरू। आयोजक गोयचो फामाद बॉलिवूड संगीतकार एंटनी गोन्साल्विसाक विसरले। मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान करून दिली याद। माहिती प्रसारण मंत्रालयाच्या तकलेत नॅशनल फिल्म हेरिटेज मिशन। इफ्फीचे पहिलेच दिसा कोफुसांव DFF ESG मदीं ना समन्वय। इफ्फीचे माहिती पुस्तिका खातीर हजारांनी डेलिगेट्सांच्यो गिट्ट्यो, लायनी, बॅगो पडल्यो उण्यो। इफ्फीचे बोवाळांत गोंयचे खण खात्याचे अधिकारी मायनिंगाचेर पुराय रिपोर्ट घेवन पावले दिल्ली। मिनेर, पर्यावरण मंत्रालय, फिमी आणि खण खात्याची CEC कडेन बुधवारा दिल्ली बसका। लोकांचेर संकश्ट आयिल्ले असताना सरकार कसले फिल्म महोत्सव मनयता? मायनिंगाचेर निंबून आशिल्ल्यांचो प्रश्न। इफ्फीचे दिसांनी उपोशण करपाची शिटकावणी। आणि खेळांत नेहरू स्टेडियमाचे काम फुडल्या ऑगस्ट मेरेन जावंक जाय पुराय। लुसोफोनिया गेम्सा खातीर स्टेडियम तयार करपाची मोख। अधिकाऱ्यांनी घेतलो स्टेडियमाचे तंत्रिकी गजालींचो नियाळ। खबरो विस्तारान। 43वो इफ्फी सुरू जालो। आयोजक गोयचो फामाद बॉलिवूड संगीतकार एंटनी गोन्साल्विसाक विसरले, तरी मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान तांकां एंटनीची जाहीर याद करून दिली। फाटल्या वर्सभरांत पिड्ड्यार जाल्ल्या भारतीय सिनेमाळावयल्या म्हालगड्यांक अक्षय कुमारान आर्गां ओंपली। 12वे पंचवार्षिक येवजणेंत नॅशनल फिल्म हेरिटेज मिशन सुरू करपाचो विचार केंद्रीय माहिती आनी प्रसारण मंत्री मनीष तिवारीन उक्तायलो। फुडले 10 दीस इफ्फीचो उत्सव चलतलो।
I'll just tell you a story. When I was a kid, every weekend, me, my sister, my mom, my dad, we would go without lunch every single Saturday of every month so that at night my family could afford 4 tickets and 4 samosas and 4 mango stick ice cream. I would like us all to stand for a minute of silence and loving memory, loving respect of not only Mr. Rajesh Khanna ji, but also for the colossal loss we have all witnessed this year from the greats like Mr. Yash Chopra ji, Dev Saab, Mr. A.K. Hangal Saab, Ashok Mehta, Tara Singh ji, that have blessed us with their outstanding talents and unconditional passion for great cinema over the years. And I would also like to pay tribute to the man that taught all actors to appreciate their virtues from the words of Shri Balasaheb Thackeray himself. He said, "I'm a man of masses. Actors should consider themselves lucky, not because of their bank balance, but because they have a mass following." Never a truer word.
In fact, this year, I remember, and we all remember, we lost one of the great musicians, son of this soil, Anthony Gonsalves. The current generation may not know about him much. I also take this opportunity to also pay my tribute and respect to Sri Balasaheb Thackeray and pray that Almighty will give peace to his soul.
Encouraging the documentary movement in the country. With a view to preserve our film heritage, the government is embarking on an ambitious national film heritage mission during the 12th five-year plan 2012 to 2017. With a view towards encouraging co-production between India and other countries, India has entered into co-production agreements also with various countries.
There it is, the very, very prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award at IFFY 2012.
मिलके भी हम ना मिले, से न जाने क्यों मेरे निशान हैं कहाँ मेरे निशान। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा।
इफीचे पयलेच दिसाक कोफुसांव सुरू जाला। DFF आनी ESG मदीं समन्वय नाशिल्ल्यान डेलिगेट्सांक इफीचे म्हायती पुस्तिका खातीर हुंकळचें पडलें। डेलिगेट्सांक एके बॅगेंत हें सामान मेळटा, तातूंत इफीचें शेड्यूल आनी फिल्माचें वेळापत्रक आसता। डेलिगेट्स जाले चड, बॅगो पडल्यो कमी। इफीचे कोर्टयार्डा कडेन डेलिगेट्सांच्यो घिट्ट्यो पडल्यो। उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक 3,000 लोक भरिल्ल्यान शारांत ट्रॅफिक जॅम जालो।
It is the first day of the IFFI, of course, and already there seems to be a slight problem here. There's a lot of crowd behind us, and apparently all these people are waiting for the very important bag that accompanies your delegate pass. We have with us Genevieve D'Souza, and she's of course been in this line for a very long time. Let's hear what she has to say.
This is the first time I've made a delegate pass. All these years I've been just making the cinephile and I've had no problem. Now we've been standing here for a long time, at least about 2.5 hours. Books are available, but the bags are not available. Now we suggested to the manager that why don't you just give us the books, we're not interested in the bags. But she seems to want instructions from somewhere. So we just have to wait, that's it.
We are now inside the collection booth and we are right at the front of the line where people are supposed to be receiving their bags. Now after a very lengthy delay, the contents of the bag have arrived in separate boxes. However, as you can see, it is a mess and people are being handed out these things without bags. We have with us Nilim Satya, who is a theatre worker and he has come specially for IFFI all the way from Assam. Problem क्या हुआ है?
नहीं, ये तो ठीक है कि अच्छा अरेंजमेंट है, लेकिन हम लोग 2 घंटा से यहाँ खड़ा है वो बैग और स्टेशनरी लेने के लिए, अभी तक नहीं मिला। अब जब हम आए लाइन में आए, जब आए वहाँ बोल रहा है कि बैग नहीं है। ये ठीक नहीं है, ये कैसा है? हम लोगों ने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है, डेलीगेट की हैसियत से हमने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है, तो उसके हिसाब से वहाँ जो इक्विपमेंट्स रहना चाहिए, जो चीज़ें रहना चाहिए, उसी हिसाब से रहना चाहिए। मैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन से बोलना चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ये ठीक नहीं है। IFFI का ये अरेंजमेंट ठीक नहीं मिला मुझे।
There you have it. For all the glitz and glamour that surrounds IFFI, the ground reality is that the most important people who make this event a success, the delegates themselves who turn out in huge numbers, have to go through such difficulties. This is Rowan D'Souza with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar reporting for Prudent Media.
आता घेऊया एक विसव.